Maz's castle early, so we get to see Maz and Han. Well, that's one of Saul. Isn't that one of? They're the hairless Wookiees.
Hey, Maz. Pour me another part.
We're gonna get bearded,
Not
huh?
until you pay for the last one.
Come on, you know I'm good for it.
I don't know that you're good for anything. Where's my Wookiee?
Chewie's working on the Falcon. Long-range communicator took a hit back on Jomar.
You never bring him around anymore.
You make him nervous.
You two are up to something. Spit it out. You know all business goes through me.
I'm meeting an Imperial turncoat. Says he can help us free the Wookiees back on Kashyyyk. You seen him?
I swear, if you bring the Empire to my doorstep...
You know I always cover my tracks. Come on now. Help me out. Help Chewie.
I don't know your man, but it is late, and you may find that this crowd is talkative.
Thanks, Maz. I owe you one.
You owe me more than that, Han Solo. And don't you forget it.
Just gonna collect information. Just go talk to anyone.
The Republic doesn't care about you. Neither does the Empire.
You alright, buddy? You alright? You good? You had a few too many to drink? Can't go into the kitchens? Oh. Oh, that's some great dancing right there. Hey, how you going? Hey everyone, hey.
It's only the ship from my press, and I'm not gonna put a hole in your gut. That's the deal.
I think I should just be standing next to people listening.
As offered. Take your time to think about it. Carefully.
Is that gathered information? Can we go down here? Oh yeah, here's someone. Hey,
Hey,
how's it
Mr.
going?
Paldora. Long time no see. My Wookiee pal was just asking about you.
You must be confusing me with that insufferable man upstairs.
My mistake.
Sorry, my bad. The man is upstairs. In this room is a lightsaber, possibly at this point in time. We don't actually know. Don't know if Maz has it at this point. She may or may not have the lightsaber at this point. Who knows? But if she did, why doesn't she give it to Han now? Oh, I suppose Han doesn't really need it. That's fine. She can hold on to it. Sorry to doubt anything you've ever said. By upstairs, I'm going to presume he meant all the way upstairs. Here's someone around in there. Okay. There's a bunch more rooms.
I got access to muscle if you need a connection. Follow my own neat tool up, bud. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks.
All the way up on the top floor.
I can get you all the money off wool you want.
Oh, here's a guy. Hey.
You know, you look just like a friend of mine. Name of Paldora.
You think I look like that idiot drinking Marinzane Gold?
He can afford to drink Marinzane Gold?
Must be nice, right?
He's drinking Marizane Gold, but I don't know what that is and or what that looks like, so that's not really helping me at all.
Imagine me, we go
Hey.
way back. She and my dad would raid derelict ships, yeah? I go with them sometimes. Not really. Oh, you don't believe me? Well, fine. Go ask her yourself. I'll wait.
Oh yeah? Maz used to raid ships and stuff? Well, I suppose you've got to... You don't just start life with a castle. Oh, hey, fucking calm down, alright? Mate, you look angry. You know what your problem is. Derelict gold. Derelict gold. Derelict gold. Maybe back in the main bar.
No way! That's Han Solo! Look!
Hey.
Roddy, good to see you. Listen, pal, I'm looking for a friend named Aldora. You know him?
After you left me stranded during the Zerka job? Not a chance.
Come on, it all worked out. Must have, because here you are.
Back off. Find your pal Dora on your own. You two can talk about your stupid beards.
So he's a bearded guy. Got it.
Bearded guy. Speak to the bearded guy drinking Malzahn gold on the top floor. This guy right here.
Han Solo! I'm Imperial Specialist Ralcius Paldora. It is a pleasure to finally meet you.
Shh. You want to keep it down?
Oh, right. But because we're meeting incognito.
Well, we actually are.
Come on, we need to get you out of here.
Off we go then.
I thought it was about to do an entire mission where they have you just play as Han, but not shooting
I've
him.
hidden 2 data cubes in the woods. For safety.
You've got to be kidding me.
The first one has Imperial shipping fleet, sealing locations, hidden armaments. It's all for the Republic, in exchange for safe passage of assignments.
What about your Kashyyyk intelligence?
It's in a separate location. Trust me, I have everything you need to free the...
Does he though?
Statisticians are killed by apprentice statisticians.
Pretty sure bad guys are about to show.
Friends of yours?
I assume this is your fault?
Usually is.
What's my #1 rule, Solo?
No fighting. Come on. We gotta move.
I stashed the first data cube at a generator just ahead. I think.
Good job.
You really could
Han has the ability to detonate charge, sharpshooter, and
bring
shell
the intel
charge.
with you, huh?
That all sounds exactly like his abilities in the first
I'm
one.
a covert agent now.
Stormtroopers. Stay quiet. We gotta take them out.
No! You do! This blaster's never shoot! I never learned to shoot!
Great. Wish me luck.
I can't see shit.
I can't watch! Oh, but I can't stop!
Fuck me. Very good.
Got it.
The intelligence on that data cube should help your friends in the Republic. Look out! More gas mask!
How rude.
Where's the Kashyyyk intelligence?
Stored near a lovely shrine just through the forest. Onward!
Reach the lovely shrine.
You must have good intel if they're sending this many troopers after you.
The Empire is in worse shape than anyone realizes. Fire at will! They're terrified the Republic will find out. The fleet is burning more fuel flying away from your attacks than it can resupply. I'll just be over here. Safe and sound.
Fire!
Yes! Nicely done, my new friend!
This'll be loud.
Imperial Heavy! God, what a shot! Oh, just marvelous!
This guy is the most annoying person ever. My goodness.
Keep them away! How can I stay mad at you? I have to say, I love watching you work!
Improvise explosives.
Now, where did I leave that Wookiee intel?
Don't know, you tell me. One of these boxes? Something like that. No. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sheik. Not the data.
Reinforcements. Get down.
From which direction? Oh.
That should help get you onto the Wookiee planet. Now, to your famous Falcon.
You know the Falcon.
Falcon.
On average, it's shaped 2.2 of every 300 Imperials knows an electric Falcon.
What the fuck?
Shouldn't we get to the ship?
Wish me luck.
You would think. It'd be really nice if a fucking Empire.
Got a big one coming for you!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ow. Where are they coming from? I don't appreciate it. What are you doing on top of the Falcon, Chewie? Let's go. Let's go.
Run, would you, pal? I'll hold them off. Just get this ship ready to fly.
The Falcon should not take this long to get ready. That is not... Motherfucker, I just... Probably deserve to die missing all those shots. I should... See, I'm playing as Han Solo, so I should be able to understand what Chewie's just saying. Like, the subtitles should just say what he's saying. Because I'm Han. I should just be able to understand. Like, I know what he's saying. Do you know what I'm saying? It should just say. Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense at all.
Another shuttle coming in. Look out!
You're right, Chewie. Today is not my favorite day.
No, you don't have too many favorite days, though, I don't think. Let's just chuck that there. Wait for him to come out. Well, that worked out. Well, yeah. Well, that...
Maybe today's not so bad after all.
General Solo, this is Iden Versio. Inferno Squad is...
Oh, hi, Eden.
Boy, am I glad to see you. What brings you out here, Commander?
You do, General. Senator Organa sent us.
I take it back, Chewie. This is the worst day imaginable.
Can we get on a ship yet? Are we good? What are we waiting for? Let me on. I want on the Falcon. Ow.
You're clear on the ground, but we got bad guys and ties on the way.
Just once it would be nice if they didn't put up a fight.
Where's the
Can I
fun in that, General?
Fly the Falcon, please. Thank you. That'd be great. I'd love to do that. That sounds like a hell of a time. Let's do that! Sounds fun! Alright, let's do that. Let's have fun. Let's fly the Falcon, kill some TIE fighters.
Maz is on the comm. I don't want to talk to her right now.
Han Solo.
Hey, Maz.
I always cover my tracks. That's what you said. Now there are ships over my lake.
I can explain.
Don't explain. Just please less. I would never blame you, Chewbacca.
Oh dear.
General, we're Focusing fire on that cruiser. You with us?
Yeah, let's put him in the bottom of the lake.
Oh, Mars won't like that at all.
Oh my god! The Falcon, oh my goodness.
Inferno squad, form up on me. Enemy starfighter headed for General Solo.
I see him. Proton torpedoes are ready.
Wait! Hey. Can you fucking stop shooting me, please? Holy moly. I feel like I'm gonna have to take out some of these TIE fighters. Just because they keep fucking hitting me. Oh my god.
You don't see many of those cruisers around anymore. Not after that shipyard assault a year back.
Stop shooting me. Oh my god.
This YC-1300 freighter you've got is something. But its hyperdrive fails 1.22 times more often than the 2400 model. Chewie, get him out of my cockpit.
Yeah, shut this guy up, Chewie. He's fucking annoying. Oh my god, why won't any of these TIEs die? Did we take down that whole ship yet? Is it going down? Yes. Bye. Bye. Oh no, I gotta destroy TIEs.
One less fighter to worry about.
Come here. Come here, little fighter. Alright, this one.
That did the trick.
Some of you would like to just stay within my scopes and slow the fuck down.
That's one more tie to dust. Nice shot! General Solo, I'm tracking another inbound on your position. I'll take him out.
Oh my god, stay still, please. Thank you. We did it.
Just be sure you do come back.
Don't worry. You can't get rid of us that easily. She's all yours, Commander.
I'm telling you, Gal, whatever you did to this droid, it's not right.
I just fixed it. You can't blame me if it likes you now.
Inferno Squad. Shriv, I haven't seen you since Lando volunteered you for this. How you been?
Wonderful, Senator.
What's on your mind, Commander?
According to Paldora's intel, my father has been running operations on Bespin and Sullust. I'd like your permission to find him and capture him.
You don't report to me, Iden.
A fleet command might not approve us undertaking such a personal mission.
Ah, well, we can't have an Imperial Admiral out there reinforcing the fleet, can we? I'd appreciate you bringing him in, Commander.
Yes, ma'am.
And may the Force be with you.
That's a wrap on this video of the single player Battlefront 2. Our adventure with Iden Versio will continue in the next video, so if you've enjoyed this one, drop a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. And if you're a fan of Star Wars, you should also subscribe to the Explosion Network's lead up to The Last Jedi podcast, Alderaan Explosion, available on all good podcast outlets and releasing every Friday at 12 PM leading up to The Last Jedi.
You take orders from me!